I put some straight gas in my gas tank here, so the premix is going away. Next up, go in here and adjust the air-fuel mixture screws until I can get it optimized. These were both set 1.5 turns out when I rebuilt the carburetors. I played around with that for a bit and I ended up right exactly at 1.5 turns out. Oh, we got some big wind today. I talked about how great my Ember Cup is in my last video. The only problem with it is if you have it turned up a little too high, it cooks the coffee a little bit if you don't drink it fast enough. So I may have to turn this down a bit. See this? I've never used this on any of my 350s. It's a must-do on the RZ500 to get all 4 carburetors synchronized, but I'm going to try it out on this bike. I took the air filter off. Let's see what happens. So the right side was reading about 4 whatever this value is, kilograms something, and the left side is reading about 6. I'm not going to be able to run the camera. Well, maybe I can. Hang on. I think I just got them very synchronized. I was adjusting the screw that adjusts the slides. I did it manually when I set the carburetors up initially. But when I put this one on, put this thing on the right side carburetor, it was at what, 3 or 4, and over here it was close to 7. And now I've got them synchronized at about 6. Again, I'm not sure, it's 6 whatevers. So they seem to be synchronized now. I'm going to check it again. I would say that was time well spent. Now I'm going to play around with the air-fuel mixture screws again and see if I can get it optimized a little better after getting the vacuum synchronized. I think it helped getting the vacuum synchronized first and then adjusting the air-fuel mixture screws. I'm now at about 2 turns on the air-fuel screws. If I had bodywork on here, I could go for a ride.